Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Prisha. Today I came up with a new story called Birthdays Around the World. Have you ever wondered how we celebrate birthdays all over the world? Today we're going to read about it. Happy birthday! Everyone has a birthday. A birthday is a good time to do something special. Some people spend the day with family and friends. Some people have a birthday party. They eat cake and open presents. Some people use a camera to take pictures. They want to remember their special day. What do you do on your birthday? Birthday food. People around the world eat special birthday foods. In China, children eat long noodles. Sometimes friends or family, like cousins, come for lunch. Sometimes people make food for the birthday boy or girl and hide a present inside, like a coin. Really? So, a bowl of noodles, and inside the noodles, there is a small present like a coin? It's fun to find. Okay, next. In India, birthday girls wear pretty dresses. They give sweet chocolate to their friends. Sweet chocolate like this chocolate looks yummy. In Ghana, children eat otto on their birthdays. People make otto from sweet potatoes and eggs. Sweet potatoes. They look sweet. Okay, now, do you eat special foods on your birthday? Well, I do. I like to eat the Indian sweets. They're so yummy. Next, birthday cakes. A long time ago, people in Germany started making cakes for birthdays. In the morning, people cut candles on a cake. The candles burned all day long. At the night, people asked the birthday boy or girl to blow the candles and wish for something special. Now, many people have birthday cakes with candles. Do you blow out candles on your birthday? Well, I blow out candles on my birthday. Birthday party! Many girls and boys have a birthday party. At the birthday party, some people like to wear special hats. Some people play the piano and sing songs. People play games and eat cake. Some people get cake stuck on their faces. In the summer, people often sit outside on a porch to eat cold ice cream. Sometimes I do that, eat cold ice cream, and I never get cake stuck on my face. Never. Special birthdays. Well, I heard of birthdays, but have you ever heard of special birthdays? Let's read about it. Some birthdays are very special. On a special birthday, people often have a big party. I love to party. For some boys and girls, this big party happens when they turn 12 or 13. Friends and family come to visit. In Mexico, girls have a special birthday when they turn 15. They have a party with lots of food. People dance to music. The birthday girl wears a crown. Where's the crown in this picture? Here is the birthday girl, and this is the crown circled. Well, now Do you have any special birthdays in your country? Like in Mexico, they have it when they turn 15. So, if you do, please write it down in the comments. Now, birthdays are happy days. They are different around the world. And do you do something special on your birthday? Birthdays are special all over the world. Now, if you did anything special on your birthday, please write it down in the comments below because I'm really excited to read it. Whoa, look at this map. Do you see your country here? I see it. Here. Okay, now, that's enough for today.